Ọbanla bá lè wá sọ̀rọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tó sá lọ. Níbi tí orí Ọbanla burú dé. Ẹ jẹ́ n fi kankan hàn yín pọ̀ Ọbanla.
Tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Lizzy Anjorin pẹ̀lú Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa mà tún ti mú wá fún yín. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ wá nǹkan fìdílé bí ó ṣe gbọ́ fídíò ìdé parí nítorí wípé àwọn àṣírí kọ̀ọ̀kan nípa Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àti ìyá tí ẹ̀ ń wò yìí mà tún ti tú síta o. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa nǹkan ń bẹ. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ o bí ó ṣe máa bá wa ká lọ nínú fídíò yìí.
Ọbanla ṣe mọ̀ pé jọ́ yẹn òun wà táàkì bísínẹ́sì mi mọ̀ owó ẹ̀ jẹ́ntì ọkọ̀ gbé báyìí náà kọ́ bá ń gbé tírè kù náà yọ má bínú. Òun wà táàkì bísínẹ́sì mi jọ ẹ̀ mọ̀ owó ẹ̀. Ẹ wá wo ohun tí Ọbanla gbogbo yín ṣàmọ́ Ọbanla ẹ mọṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe. Ẹ wá wo ohun tí àkọ́bí Ọbanla ń tà. Ẹ má bọ̀. Gbogbo nǹkan tó lọ yà lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì ẹ ti rí. Ṣé irú Ọbanla yẹn kò lè poison anybody? Ṣé irú ọmọ Ọbanla yìí tó bá fẹ́ gbaṣẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ àwọn èèyàn tẹ mọṣẹ́ tí yẹn ń ṣe lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì ta ló máa stoop solo òun fẹ́ gbé ọmọ ẹ̀ síbi iṣẹ́? Ẹ ti rí gbogbo nǹkan tó lọ yà lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì. Ọbanla ó ti mi tí ráyè tiẹ̀ mo ṣe ń bọ̀ wá bá ẹ. Ẹ̀rí ọmọ ẹ̀ náà ní personal blog. Ẹ wò Adéṣẹwà kitchen personal blog ọmọ ẹ̀ rí. Ọmọ Ọbanla lòun take order o. Oníkẹ́ wá order oúnjẹ. Wàá rí orí burúkú tó ń ṣe lórí social media. Wàá rí pé lifetime stigma ní nígbésí ayé àtàwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. Orí burúkú tó ń ṣe lórí social media. Ó mọ̀ pé yàtọ̀ sí pé blogger ni ẹ́. Zee ọmọ Ọbanla sọ pé food is medicine. Ajẹ́ rọrùn. Mo máa ń wò yìí gbogbo yín tẹ̀ ń ṣe blackmailing business. Ebi máa pa yín bí. Ebi ó máa pa yín bí. Cruise lẹ máa kọ́kọ́ pè. Torí èpè pọ̀ lórí yín gan. Èpè ó pọ̀ lórí yín dáadáa. Ó pọ̀ lórí yín dáadáa. Wàá ké wá yọ àlà. Ó mọ̀ pé tó bá wá fún mi tí mo wú ẹ̀ wò wàá sunkún wàá pè Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó gan máa fi pè ránṣẹ́ sí ẹni. Ẹ bó èrí dáadáa.
Kí àwọn ọmọ warriors yẹn tẹ́ bá rí nǹkan tí àwọn ọmọ yẹn ń fà tẹ́ bá rí nǹkan tí wọ́n ń kó jọ ìfà nísì kan wò pé láti bo síbo bó ṣe wà.
Àwọn eléyìí lọ́rọ̀ oúnjẹ lọ́wọ́ ọmọ ọrọ̀ eléyìí kó fẹ́ bí ẹ ṣòfò ìlú ìṣì àtẹnujẹ. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àti fake narrative na 5 and 6. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àti fake narrative 5 and 6. Ìyábọ̀ ayé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ti bàjẹ́. Iye ẹ wò ṣé ẹ ṣì ń rí mi.
Last week, I just see damage control up and down about this me and
That is a network
justice for Mohbad matter. Well, I just want to drop this one here, pending when
Facebook
from our Mugo when she will come back to Nigeria. Now, not everything damage control, especially the one where me and she talk about, right? Now, myself, I've been no one talk, but I've seen that when she did her life, she spoke a little about our meeting. So myself, I will speak a little, then when she come, we can now face the whole justice proper, which includes Mohbad royalty and every other thing. Now, like I said, this particular one, no damage control on top. You understand? Because all these influencers, they know if you know they. Alright, so after the meeting at the Commissioner of Police office,
Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, be an influencer. I'm just happy. You cannot understand why I'm happy. You can't. Ọlọ́run bá mi bójú Ìyábọ̀ Òjó jẹ́. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ṣó gbórúkọ tó gbà. A sọ fún ẹ. àfìfìlà périn ọjọ́ kan ló mọ ṣé bó lórí burúkú lọ bá lọ lórí burúkú lẹ́sà bọ́ọ̀dù ṣé bó lórí burúkú ni gbogbo wọn èèyà.
Pẹ̀lú girlfriend ẹ tó bá pé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ló fi ṣe mentor tó yẹ kó ló ń support tó lórí burúkú ló ń fẹ́ wàhálà ayé máa padà bàjẹ́ àdìyẹn ní mi tí ìrìn èèyàn kan tó ní làákàyè tó support woman yẹn rí olórí burúkú ni gbogbo wọn pẹ̀lú gbogbo evidence pàṣẹ rí o òun ló ní kí wọ́n bring malians down òun ló tún wọ́n bàbá ìjẹ̀ṣàlẹ̀ wọn olóṣèlú ní gbogbo wọn ní industry wọn yẹn náà tí ẹ kọ́kọ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ girlfriend ẹ bí mo ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí náà tó bá ti ní pé mọ̀dà ní mentor yá break up pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ àsáàbù.
Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ti padà burúkú ẹ wọ ọmọ kékeré ìwé lọ́pọlọ bí àlọ́mọ ẹ ti 20 ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ tó ń jáde lẹ́nu ẹ̀ Ìyábọ̀ ti burúkú o àfìfìlà pérín ọjọ́ kan ló mọ. Just someone that just work. I work smartly. I love good things. Things that I sell here, it is not cheap. I have cheap fabrics outside. I have some cheap fabrics outside. But major things that I sell, if you are not rich, you can't do fabric business. We are not talking of those Agbotikuyo level. We are not talking about those levels. We are talking about you want to do real fabrics. And how do you get money if you don't come from a rich home? Even if you go into prostitution, is it every prostitute that are rich? It's not every prostitute that are rich. You don't understand? And if you depends on a man, if you want to go into business in Nigeria, if you are not from a very rich home, you have to work. You have to work. I will be sincere with you guys. I don't know, though someone like Ìyábọ̀ Òjó is very poor. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó is very, very poor. Very extremely poor. That's why she ended up using people's predicament for donation. And that was why she used to stalk people around for free money. But if you want to stay successful in Nigeria, you have to work as if you not wake up the following day. Even people in abroad, they work so hard. Those in abroad. I was up with Lizzy rest leave Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Ogunlákayé ló máa fẹ́ràn ẹ̀yí yẹ̀pẹ̀. Wọ́n sọ pé Lizzy kò ní dá fún Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tọmọtọmọ ẹ̀. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó máa fojú sunkún àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ni. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó máa ṣòfò tọmọtọmọ ẹ̀ dànù ni. So, and if you are from like Igbo side, it's still better. If you are from the Hausa side, it's still better. Coming from the Yoruba side, for a poor man to survive poverty, or more. Except you have someone funding you. And those that are funding you, what if they leave you? That is why I will never ever appreciate someone like that bastard called Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. It is extremely tough to survive in Nigeria. Yes. What's that? It is extremely tough to survive in Nigeria. It is very, very, in fact, surviving in Nigeria, that is why a lot of people in abroad, some of their family members still live on there. A lot of them in abroad, the reason why they've not built house, because of their family member that are living on them. The reason why some of them cannot buy. I have a friend, when a property was 4 million naira, Tolulope ọ̀rẹ́ mi, you know yourself, you are watching me. It's not even Tolu, Titi. When I was selling properties for around 4 million, 5 million, I called her. She said she wants to bring her uncle's daughter, almost 10 of them. She said she has maybe 30 or 40 million, but she wants to, at least if she has helped them. That my friend is Titi, her name is Titi. That she wants to help them, blah, 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 blah. No problem. The property of 4 million naira there. We'll be talking about 150, 170 million. And she has not built house in this Nigeria. She has not built anything. Whenever she comes to this country, she's still in apartments. She doesn't have parents anymore. I told her then. She said no. At the end of the day, after a few months, she called me. You see, my family member that I brought, do you see what they did to me? I say, yeah, sorry. Do you think all of you in diaspora, if you have family member like Lizzy Anjorin that doesn't depend on you, do you know how many houses you would have built? It's not easy. I have family now, but I don't depend on people. And that is why when people come for me, my love for me ko ku lọ́jọ́ kejì ni yasi. Ọlọ́run rí inú mi tọrọ bára mi dem foku gba donation. So I have nothing to hide. I won't pretend as if I'm okay when I'm not okay. I won't pretend. I won't pretend as if I'm okay when I'm not okay. I have a target. I have bills to pay. I have a lot of people I employed. You know, from Abule Egba to Ogba, from Ogba to Ikota, from Ikota to my shopping mall. It is beyond hard work. It is between life and death. Saying someone is hardworking is an understatement. Because when you walk to a stage, you will know it in your body, in your health. Your health will be telling you. You will be vanishing. Your brain will be over pumping blood. And that is why you see a lot of people that cannot walk. When they walk, they say, mi le wa ku o, mi le wa para mi. Yes, mi le wa ku kin joye le babe. Torí tó máa joyè lé bàbá ẹ̀ máa jagun.